Hi, this is Holly Olson, and I am logging on to my Acme page. First I'll log on to localhost and click on Acme, and here's my Acme page. I have a working nav bar, as you can tell. I click on my accounts, and it takes me to the Acme login page, where I still have an active and working nav bar. You put in your email address and password and log in, but that does not work right now. And it also says if you're not a member, you can create an account. So you click on create an account. It takes you to the Acme registration page, which again has an active working nav bar. And it says you need to put your first name, last name, email address, password, and it tells you password must be at least 8 characters long and contain at least one number, one capital letter, and one special character. Click register. It does not work right now. But to go back to home, click on home and it'll take you back to the home page. Now I'm going to show you my code for login. It's right here. And I do have a couple errors. There's 3 errors that are on each of my HTML page, and that's 1, 2, and 4. Because it doesn't like the Google Fonts, how it tells me how to do it. It doesn't like that link. And it doesn't like the beginning of the PHP statements. Also, it didn't like how I put my Ahref link around my input statement for the create an account button, but it was the only way I could get it to work. Sorry if we hear a little fussing. My baby is not having the best day. This is my registration page, and I have those 3 errors for the Google Fonts, and it doesn't like the opening to my PHP statements. And then here is my home page code, and I have those 3 errors again for the Google Fonts and the opening of my PHP statements. I'm going to show you in here. This is my login page, and here is my link to take you to the registration page. So it's Ahref equals Acme accounts index.php question mark action equals registration, and that takes you to the registration page. Here is my header, and you can see that I put in here before my account the link to get us to the login page, which is Ahref Acme accounts index.php question mark action equals login. I really enjoyed making this part of the website. It's exciting to learn more. It's frustrating at the same time though, but I'm enjoying it.